Welcome back to our channel where we provide helpful tips and guides for using WhatsApp. In today's video, we'll show you how to make messages disappear in your WhatsApp community. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Click on your community. Step 3. Tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right of the page. Step 4. Select Community Info from the options. Step 5. Tap on Announcements. Step 6. Now. Tap on Disappearing Messages. Step 7. Under the message timer, choose either 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days, depending on your preference. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that messages in your WhatsApp community automatically disappear after a specific time period. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other WhatsApp-related questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.